The ingredients that we're going to be using today are oxtails, red and green peppers, tomatoes, scallions, onions, garlic, tomato paste, 1 bay leaf, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, and thyme. Now I'm going to season the oxtails with 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of complete seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 pack of beef broth, salt, and pepper to taste. Now we're going to begin browning the oxtails. So now I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of olive oil to brown the oxtails. You can use whatever you want to use, but I'm using 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now the reason why I'm browning the oxtail is because it not only gives it a good color, but it also gives it a good flavor. Now that the oxtails are brown, I'm going to add the seasoning to the oxtails. The one thing I love about this dish, besides the flavor of this dish, is that it's a one-pot meal. And the one thing I love about a one-pot meal is you only have to clean up one pot. You can use beef broth in a can if you want. There's beef broth with sodium, and then there's beef broth without sodium, or low sodium. You also can use a bouillon cube. It really doesn't matter as long as you. Well, I like to use beef broth because it gives the beef more flavor. I'm also adding steak sauce, 1 bay leaf, and thyme for extra flavor. Oxtails are great to cook because you put everything in one pot. It takes about a couple of hours to cook, depending on how thick the meat is, and you can basically make it your own. You can add whatever you want to add. That's why tonight I'm adding the curry, and I'm adding the Scotch bonnet pepper for a little kick of heat. And like I said, you can't go wrong with this dish. Now I'm going to add 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Now this is optional. You don't have to add this if you don't want any heat to your dish. Scotch bonnet peppers are very hot, so if you don't want too much heat, leave the pepper whole. Now dinner is served. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And please don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos. Thank you again. God bless. Good night.